Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the body structure of fungi. Now, based on their body plan, there are two main types of fungi. One is yeast and the others are molds. You might be aware of the yeast that yeast are unicellular organisms, and they have round or oval shape, and they are widely distributed in soil, on leaves, fruits, and cured meats. You might also be aware of the uses of fungi, that yeast are one of the most important component of fermentation. So when we talk about the fermentation of the bread or some other components, yeast has a very vital role in it's a kind of a billion-dollar industry in the synthesis of different beverages and food items. Yeast play a very important role. Then we have another type of fungi which is known as molds. Molds are basically saprophytes. Most of them, they are saprophytes or parasites, which means that they take their food from the dead organic matters. Now, when we talk about the body structure of molds, their body structure or the non-reproductive part consists of long branched thread-like filaments which are known as hyphae. Now, when we talk about hyphae, as you can see here, that these are the roots of different plants, and these roots and the soil is rich with the thread-like microscopic structures of body of the fungi, which are known as hyphae. So hyphae are basically the filaments or single cell getting together to form a network of microscopic filaments, and their cell wall is made up of chitin. So fungi cell wall is different from the cell wall of plants, that it is made up of chitin, and each hyphae in this network consists of one or more cells. These cells are surrounded by the cell wall, which is of course made up of chitin. Now, a mass of hyphae make up the body of a fungus, which is called as mycelium. So mycelium is actually a structure of the fungus or the molds, which is formed by collection of a number of hyphae which are tightly packed together. Now, this mycelium is normally it cannot be seen with the naked eye, but some of the mycelium where hyphae are very closely packed together in large numbers, those mycelium can be seen when closely visualized with the naked eye. Now, these hyphae of most fungi, they are divided into different cells through internal cell walls. Those walls are known as septa. So those hyphae that are divided into the different cells through these septa known as septate hyphae. So these septate hyphae together make up of the body of the fungi, and that body is known as mycelium.